Hey, it's Dan the Mortgage Man, and have you been told
No.
for a mortgage? If that's you, stick around. I might have some good news for you. So you might have been told no, that you don't qualify for a mortgage. So I was looking at Facebook earlier this morning, and I had a friend of mine that made a comment about what's called a loan rescue kit, right? Kind of like a first aid kit. Maybe you're somebody that's been told no for a mortgage, and you're in desperate need of some help or being rescued, okay? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to put together a quick video and talk about how maybe we can help you to resurrect or rescue maybe a loan that you've been turned down for, or if you're a realtor or a builder, maybe you have a client that's been told they're not eligible for a mortgage. And I wanted to talk about why it doesn't, a lot of times make sense to get a second opinion. I have seen this a ton lately where people have been told they don't qualify because they don't have enough income, or their debt to income ratio is too high, or for any number of reasons that they're not eligible for a mortgage, when in fact they are indeed eligible. Like, what's worse than being told you're not eligible to be able to buy a house when in fact you really could have bought that house, right? So what I wanted to do is I want to put together kind of a loan rescue kit, right? So in my bag of tricks here, I've got some stuff, a bottle of wine. I'm not sure that that's going to help you unless you really can't get a mortgage, but a bottle of wine would actually be not necessarily a bad way to rescue yourself, right? Oh, wait a minute, that's beer, so that's not going to help you either. But, holy cow, look what I found. A bunch of money, right? Like, that's what our business is. Our business is giving you a lot of this to be able to go buy your house. And the best way to help you get this is to work with a good, experienced mortgage lender like myself who really knows what they're doing, right? So just because somebody told you that you don't qualify for a home loan, get a second opinion, right? If you're working with an agent, or you're an agent that has been told, you have a client that's been told no, the level of expertise or the level of knowledge that a loan officer has can make a huge difference, right? Because so often people just go to their local bank, or where their credit union or somebody that they have an account with, and they apply for a mortgage, and they assume that the expertise of every individual loan officer is the same, and it's not. It's like if you're going to get surgery, or you need some kind of medical treatment, you want to have the most experienced person on your side kind of guiding you through that process. The same thing is true whether you're searching for a real estate agent or you're searching for a mortgage person. You want the most competent person there to help you out, because at the end of the day, the best rate on the wrong mortgage is still a bad deal. And more importantly, if I could give you a rate of 0 on a mortgage and you can't get approved, what does it matter? Right? So you really need to work with somebody who has a ton of experience and knowledge and knows how to help you. I've been lending since 1991, okay? So that is, as of the time I'm shooting this video, that is 26 years worth of experience. Read my Zillow reviews. I'll actually include a link to my Zillow reviews so you can see that we actually know what we're doing, and we can find ways to get deals done where people couldn't. Just recently, I just had a client in my office, probably, I want to say it's, maybe about 3 weeks ago. She had been turned down from her bank for a mortgage, and she had already sold her other house. She was going to be homeless. She wasn't going to have any place to live. Met with her, said, gosh, you know what, there's a way to put this deal together. It's all in the loan structure sometimes, right? But there's a way to put this deal together. As I sat at the table right here, I had this awesome reminder of what I do. When this client, started to cry because she was so happy that we were able to make that new house purchase happen. Had she not gotten to us, had her agent not got her to us, she would have just took what the other bank said as the gospel truth, and she'd either be homeless or struggling to find an apartment to rent, and she'd be out of the joy of home ownership, right? Is that you? Have you been told no? Have you been told that you don't qualify when maybe you do? And it's really just a matter of the fact that the person you worked with doesn't know what they're doing? I know what I'm doing. Done this a long time. If you need a mortgage, I want to be the guy who gives it to you, okay? Hit me up, danmoralez.com, DANMORALEZ.com. Although the website is being worked on right now, so if you go there and you don't see anything, it really is a legitimate site. Or text me, 616-931-4629. Again, 616-931-4629. Dan@danmoralez.com, and that's DANMORALEZ.com. My NMLS number is 709-729, and of course we are an equal housing lender, and I would be more than happy to give you some of this. Not that I wouldn't mind giving you a bottle of this when we close either, right? But even more happier to loan you some of this to buy your next house. All right, let us know if we can help you out. Thanks again.